Okay, this is
Are you filming?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is like a checkup on the birds we saved from the dust storm
Give me
and thunderstorm that's been for weeks. And they were in their nest on the ground.
These two were separate though when I found them.
Mm-hmm.
Sam, what you doing? Bye. Samuel, stop. Sorry, that's my brother.
Stop, Sam. Shh. Okay, this is what we feed them. We just put their beaks through there and they love it. It's
Okay, let's just feed them.
See?
That's that. Okay, now close it.
okay. And it's bird safe.
I feed them this all the time. Now, I fed this little guy and its pouch is gigantic. So this is technically their food pouch right here. And it's gigantic.
Oh, look, it's huge.
That's all the food.
And these are baby doves,
Now,
morning doves.
They got a little messy, but
So they turn like gray and brown and stuff.
they're pretty. Okay, now let's feed it. Okay, is it good? Don't move it a lot. Oh, I don't want to hurt it though.
Okay. A lot, so
I really only like to hold. It's to get now, and then it gets the food.
see, do you see it sucking? You hear it? You like
Come on, little guy, get in there.
it? You can even see the pouch getting a little bigger.
Okay, zoom out. You're too big. You can hear the noises.
Yeah. Hear it?
I don't want you to suffocate. I made this incubator. Now the heating lamp is so it doesn't even get warm at all because it's
warm,
a dull.
but it's not hot.
It's not warm enough, so I have to put it close to them, and then I have to close the box.
Yeah.
And it actually worked. I have hatched a couple eggs.
Just get newspaper.
I've hatched killdeer, but the sad thing is my brothers turned the heating thing all the way up, so it killed them during their hatch.
Yeah.
And if you don't know
So
what killdeer are, just look it up because they're so cute.
So you could blame it on ants and.
Be quiet.
I'm just kidding. And these will turn into morning doves, grown-ups. If you don't know what that is, you could look it up also.
And if you're a nerd, I'm just kidding.
You're not a nerd. No one is a nerd.
It's kind of getting a little deep. You can't even get your beak up in there anymore because I gotta make this more drippy. It's way too thick. Well, at least
We just added a lot of water to it.
I used to do oatmeal and a lot of those seeds. Then it got a little too messy when I was feeding them with my hands. Then I thought of this idea. Then I did cream of wheat
But we didn't.
without the milk.
Yeah, without the sugar either.
Okay.
No sugar for them.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna open this.
And
You
also,
cracked holes in it.
also bird seeds. So we're mixing it up so it's not as thick. Because it's been laying out for like 5 minutes.
It's not even a long time. No, it's been laying out for more than 5 minutes. Kel.
Yeah, we just made
I
it.
can't call you your name, Reese.
Yeah, and then
I called you Ash, and then I called you almost Kelsey.
And then you could get. We used to have a bowl and just put food in our hand and feed it. We'll show you how we did, but it's messy. We'll show you another time. We did that.
Oh, I could just go like this, and then you have to forget it.
Yeah. So look at this one.
This one I already fed in it. This one's a lot more smaller compared to this.
Yeah, but it has a bigger pouch already. Well, because there's food in it.
Now you're controlling the camera like here. I'm gonna control it. Okay, there we go. Dip it. Can you get some, little guy?
Okay, that's the feeding routine.
Shh, can you hear him chirp?
There it is.
That was you, Reese.
No, I heard it after I whistled. See? After I whistled.
And the other
it
one was
chirped.
Okay, I think it's done because it keeps trying to pull the beak out. Let's see how big the pouch is. Come here, little guy. That's a pretty big pouch.
Mhm.
That's a big pouch of food.
Yeah.
I mean, earlier today it was way bigger, but I think it's...
No, it was a little bit smaller. Was it?
No, it was bigger.
Oh.
But I mean, I just fed him like 30 minutes ago. So I can seriously
so
set my hand on for in here for a long time.
So it stays in their pouch, and when they're hungry, they digest it.
Well, no, they can't choose to digest it. They just automatically digest it.
Oh.
I'm going to bring both of them out. Here you go, guys. Are you still hungry? Also, sometimes when you put their beak up, I usually make a cup like this, and then you can see that hole. They put their beak up there, and they open their mouth. That's how I used to feed them until then. All the food dripped on the sides. Got to their poor little heads, and now it's a little rough, but they're so good. They're so cute. Okay. The small one is also very cute. Let's set this one down right here. Here you go. Like, I have had a lot of pets. I had ducks and birds. Now I'm starting over. My bunny. Yeah, I had a bunny, but he died by the heat. I've shown you guys him in one of my videos.
Yeah, Arizona heat is cruel.
It's killed a lot of my animals. I'm not lying.
Really?
Wait.
Yeah, well, only 2.
Well, I don't really mean to say a lot.
Only 2.
What are you doing? Oh, he's coming up to my hand trying to get food.
And yes, they could walk. It's healthy for them to get their strength.
Oh my gosh! It's completely following me. Oh, that's adorable. This wants to cuddle. What are you doing? Okay. This little guy's just like, please come. It's just like, now it's going into my shirt. Reese, can you film this?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry guys. Okay, here you go, film it.
Sorry, I'm on a bed. That also sounds weird.
Sorry, I was on the bed.
Oh, and I'm also on the bed.
Look at it. It's trying to go. I don't want your diseases on me. I'm not trying to be mean.
How dare you?
Okay, but I've gotten sick by birds a lot.
And
yes,
they're interacting.
And yes, I do keep my baby birds in my room.
It's not the healthiest thing, but it's healthy. It's getting.
Really?
Look, they're playing.
I think they're trying to get food from each other. Open your mouth, big sissy. I'm coming in. Me and Reese were kind of cool back then. We would play with our ducklings. We would pretend that they're. I know, it's just cruel.
Well, not
hungry?
really.
Are you hungry?
It wasn't. It was just kind of funny, but
It's hungry.
it wasn't a thing we had to do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna see what her little feet. They're adorable. Look at that foot. It's chubby.
Okay, zoom out, please. There we go. They also do fight over. Are you filming it on me?
Yeah, I didn't do that long, but
My shirt was hanging down. You meanie.
no, I was filming your head.
Okay, good. Okay, they won't. Oh, give me a little, guys.
And no, we're
Okay,
not
so this is the size of this one. I mean,
3
it's
weeks
not.
old.
I mean, I've had baby ones
I
that
think
are.
it's like 3 weeks old.
This one's no, they've got to be like 4. No, maybe 3. You're right.
This one like 1.5 or 2.
Can you see the beak?
Yeah. So no. This one's 2 weeks.
No, it's
1
not
week?
2 weeks.
3.
I don't know, but I found them in the after
This one's
because we have
probably
crazy dust storms.
Yep.
And actually, the surprising thing
It's
is,
like rainy, windy, dusty, lightning.
and then, oh yeah, 3 of our houses in our neighborhood got struck by lightning, and then one of them lost their 4 cats.
No, one of them started on fire.
No, all of them did, but we haven't seen the other ones.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, we've only seen one of them, and it's super bad. It looks like
I
it
know,
exploded.
it was sad.
At nighttime, me and my sister went, and it's so scary because the whole house is opening, and it looks like there's like ghosts in there because of the clothes that are hanging in ashes. Oh my gosh! Oh, stop. Okay, we will do, guys. If you guys want to see it, we will show you guys it later. Bye bye. Come on. Come on.
Her armpit. My God. Wait, I'm gonna get dandruff out of my hair.